Hi, this is your host, and today we bring you the most awaited video of all time, the real-life mummy Yes, after centuries of being enshrouded in mystery, we will finally get to see what lies beneath the bandages. This ancient being has been dead for thousands of years, and yet it continues to fascinate us with its timeless allure. Join us as we embark on an extraordinary journey through time and uncover the secrets held within the heart of an ancient mummy. There is something inherently intriguing about these preserved remains of ancient humans or animals that captures our imagination. Mummies offer a tangible connection to the past, allowing us to feel a sense of closeness with those who lived long ago. For instance, non-invasive imaging techniques such as CT scans and MR scans enable scientists to visualize the internal structures of mummies without unwrapping them. These techniques provide valuable information about the condition of the body, the presence of any abnormalities, and the cause of death. Additionally, researchers can analyze the materials used to wrap the mummy, such as the type of linen or resin used, as they often provide clues about the individual's social status and the rituals practiced during their burial. The thought of unraveling the secrets held within their preserved bodies continues to captivate us. The team responsible for this monumental task comprises experts from various fields, including Egyptologists, archaeologists, and conservators. These items, such as jewelry, pottery, or papyrus, provide valuable clues about the individual's status, wealth, and cultural practices followed during their lifetime. Their combined knowledge and skills ensure that every step of the unwrapping process is carried out with the utmost care and precision. Many mummies are considered sacred or culturally significant, and their studies should be conducted in a manner that honors their heritage and beliefs. AI-powered imaging techniques can help identify subtle features within mummies, providing new insights into their health and lifestyle. Additionally, the use of 3D scanning and modeling allows for the creation of virtual replicas of mummies, enabling researchers to study them from various angles and even reconstruct facial features. And if you want to learn more about ancient Egypt, click here. Thank you for watching and joining us on this incredible journey through time. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world and the secrets of the past. Thanks for watching. Researchers must obtain ethical approval and follow strict guidelines to ensure the preservation and protection of these valuable artifacts. By extracting and analyzing the mummy's DNA, researchers can determine their lineage, genetic diseases, and even estimate their appearance. DNA analysis also allows scientists to compare the genetic material of ancient individuals to that of modern populations, shedding light on human migration patterns and the origins of ancient civilizations. We are thrilled to be at the forefront of this groundbreaking discovery and to share every moment with you. The team analyzes the external features of the mummy, including the type of coffin, the materials used, and any visible signs of damage or deterioration. Based on this initial assessment, a plan is developed outlining the techniques and tools that will be used for the unwrapping process. As we marvel at these preserved remains, we must remember that each mummy represents a unique individual who lived, died, and contributed to the rich tapestry of human history. Through the careful study and preservation of mummies, we honor the legacy of those who came before us and deepen our understanding of the world we inhabit today. So let us continue to explore, discover, and appreciate the invaluable insights these ancient beings provide into the mysteries of our shared human past. The team begins by carefully removing any outer coverings or wrappings to reveal the underlying linen band. In some cases, only partial unwrapping is necessary to gather the required information or to preserve the mummy's integrity. When unwrapping is complete, the team conducts a thorough examination of the skeletal remains to gather information about the individual's age, sex, health, and potential cause of death. By analyzing the bones, researchers can learn about the person's lifestyle, diet, and any diseases they may have suffered from. As they proceed, they take detailed notes and photographs to document each layer and any significant findings. The unwrapping may reveal personal belongings, such as jewelry or amulets, which provide valuable insights into the individual's life and beliefs. The real-life mummy unwrap is something that has been talked about for many years now. It is said that there are some mummies which still remain unraveled. Through the study of mummies, researchers can learn about the diseases, lifestyles, and even DNA of the people who lived in different eras. For example, by analyzing the chemical composition of hair or tissue samples from mummies, scientists can determine the types of food they consumed, the presence of toxins in their systems, and even their genetic makeup. This information helps us understand the cultural practices, beliefs, and environment of ancient societies like never before. However, we will get to see one such mummy being unraveled in front of our very eyes in this video. Mummies are not only a source of endless fascination for us, but also hold immense historical value. They offer a unique window into the past, allowing us to learn about ancient cultures, beliefs and traditions in ways that few other artifacts can match. The science behind the study of mummies, known as thanatology, involves a multidisciplinary approach that combines the expertise of archaeologists, anthropologists, geneticists, and conservators, among others. By studying mummies, we gain insight into various aspects of ancient societies, such as their burial practices, social customs, and even their diets. One of the main reasons for the enduring popularity of mummies is the element of mystery that surrounds them. Another reason for the interest in mummies is the wealth of information they can provide about ancient cultures. As technology advances, new methods and techniques have emerged that allow researchers to study mummies in greater detail without causing any harm to these fragile remains. Now let's take a closer look at the process of unwrapping a mummy. Once a mummy is selected for unwrapping, a thorough examination is conducted to assess its condition and determine the best course of action. The unwrapping itself is a delicate and painstaking process that requires great care to avoid damaging the mummy or the artifacts buried with it. It is important to note that not all mummies are unraveled completely. Beyond the physical remains, the team also examines any personal belongings found within the coffin or tomb. To further unlock the secrets held within the mummy, scientists may employ advanced techniques such as DNA analysis. It is important to approach the study of mummies with respect and sensitivity towards the individuals whose remains are being examined. The future of mummy research holds exciting possibility. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing the way scientists analyze and interpret data obtained from mummies. In conclusion, the unveiling of a real-life mummy is a captivating glimpse into the mysteries of the past. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates.